Good morning, so my name is CHUAN, and today I would like to present an interesting topic, which is significance and potential role of philosophy of science in developing holistic thinking among UM students. Have you ever wondered how science and philosophy can shape the way we think, both in academia and in life? In today's world, knowledge is often compartmentalized. Science, ethics, social issues, and philosophy are studied separately. This siloed approach limits our ability to think critically, solve complex problems, and see the connection that matter. Students are often trained to think narrowly within disciplines, rather than understanding the broader picture. This educational model hinders the development of holistic thinking, which is essential for addressing the multifaceted challenges of the modern world today. So, what is the solution? Integrating the philosophy of science into co-curriculum. This approach encourages students to look at the knowledge from multiple perspectives, challenging them to reflect on the nature of scientific inquiry and question how knowledge is generated, validated, and applied. The philosophy of science promotes critical thinking and reflection by encouraging students to analyze argument and evaluate assumption. It helps students to understand that knowledge is interconnected across various domains, fostering interdisciplinary connection. By contextualizing scientific knowledge, students appreciate the historical, cultural, and social context of science. It also promotes open-mindedness by encouraging students to question assumptions and reflect on bias. Ethical awareness is another key aspect. As students evaluate the broader impact of scientific practices, the philosophy of science fosters creativity and innovation by encouraging students to think outside the conventional boundaries. It, it also encourages epistemological awareness by recognizing different ways of knowing. Students are prone to critically evaluate the authority of experts, questioning the scientific authority. Additionally, it explores the role of language in science, helping students understand how language shapes scientific inquiry. The philosophy of science reflects on how values influence scientific research, understanding the role of values in science. Addressing scientific uncertainty, it emphasizes the provisional nature of scientific knowledge. It cultivates the intellectual humility by encouraging students to approach problems with an open mind. Building a strong ethical framework for future careers, it helps students to make responsible decisions considering scientific and societal consequences. Students appreciated the evolution of scientific thoughts by recognizing the dynamic process of knowledge development. Lastly, the philosophy of science fosters the dialogue between science and society, engaging students in discussion about the role of science in society. Conclusion. In summary, the philosophy of science helps UM students develop holistic thinking by encouraging critical reflection, interdisciplinary connection, and an understanding of the contextual, ethical, and social dimensions of knowledge. It fosters creativity, intellectual humility, and an appreciation from the evolution of scientific thought. By integrating these diverse perspectives, students are better equipped to navigate the complexities of the modern world, becoming more thoughtful, responsible, and innovative individuals who are capable of addressing global challenges with a comprehensive, interconnected approach.